A pair of Amazon Echo Buds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect directly to a Vizio TV via Bluetooth. Now, hopefully your Vizio TV has built-in Bluetooth. My other Vizio TV doesn't have built-in Bluetooth, so I had to buy a Bluetooth transmitter. Anyway, this model here has a Bluetooth built in. So if I grab my remote, and on this model here, I have a settings button right here, the gear icon. So let me click on that. Now in the left pane here on the left side, you can see the second one down says pair headphones. So let me go down. Make sure it says pair headphones, okay? If it says off, move it to the right. If you're connected to a different device, keep moving until it says pair headphones, okay? Anyway, pair headphones. Let's go ahead and click on OK. Now under other devices, you can see that little status bar, that little circle thing. It's searching for devices that are in pairing mode. So let's go ahead and grab our Echo Buds now, and let's put these in pairing mode, okay? Let me open this up. Open it up, and I got a little button here on the back, okay? So let me open this up, and I'm gonna press and hold this button, ready, go. Press and hold, and just wait until I see a white blinking light. I'm still holding, still holding. Still holding here. Oh, it's blinking blue. Sorry, that's what we want. You want it to be blinking blue, all right? And now, all of a sudden, you see my Echo Buds show up right there. So let me go down to pair right there. Give it 1 second. And you see the check mark right there. So I'm ready to go. Now I can go ahead and take these out and watch my YouTube or Netflix or whatnot. Any questions or issues, comment below.